Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not uploading on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve not uploading on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. Here we'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Roblox. If you will find here updating this blue sign, then you can click to update your app on Roblox app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.